Okay, another casting that I really collect for is the T-Bird. But this is a 2002 NASCAR series, Hot Wheels Racing, fan-inspired vehicles that can tackle anything off the track. And so we got the 57 T-Bird. It's in the Nesquik Tempo scheme. This is number 4 of 4 in a series. So I got number 4 here, number 3, which is the All-Tel, and then I have number 1. So I might have to go back and look and see what number 2 is and see if I still need it. I may actually have it already. So this is the Pfizer. I'll go ahead and open these up. I'm not sure what we're supposed to do with that. This is it's kind of faded. This might be a sticker. Maybe too dried out if it is. Yeah, it's a sticker. So that is a sticker. Alrighty. So let's look at the Pfizer. Pretty light actually, even though it's feels like it's metal. It just feels very lightweight. Wonder how good it rolls. Let's look at the base real quick. It's got 1997 on there, or 77. 1977 Thailand. Number 6 Pfizer. And then those are kind of too small for me to see. Does not roll very good. Let's get number 3 open. Is this, let's see. Yeah, I think the sticker is the same in all of them. This is the All-Tel. A piece of plastic holding it in. Oops, sorry for the camera shake. It's the same. 1977, made in Thailand. It's got the real rubber tires. Appears to be all metal. It is very light though. And then we got number 404 in the Nesquik. Look at that one. This one's nice. Nesquik on it, got the bunny, Nestle Nesquik. There's some other things here that they make. The Nestea. It's just so small for me to read that. I think that's Coffee Mate, maybe. I don't know how good that's showing up on the camera. I'll try to take a picture of that and blow it up. Number 10. So these do have the little window. I think they all do. Yeah. I think the other one does too. And then of course it's the exact same casting. These were all made at the same time. Thanks for checking out Ronnie's Games. Okay, go ahead and get these put in the case. Not sure if I've got these back in the right order. But I looked up the other one and it was a Cisco or Citgo. And I believe it was like a blue color. I'll have the picture, you've already seen it. But I'll try to get that one. Kind of complete that collection. So I think I have three almost full cases of just T-Birds. Here's a look at that one. So I'm sure I'm missing a few. Okay. After I filmed that video, or the footage you just saw, hopped on eBay and grabbed that car I was missing. It's kind of weird I was missing that one. Well, maybe I'll be able to use this protector on something else. Nice. Alright, let's take a look at this. 2002, got your sticker in there. So I'll mark through the barcode. Open. I don't know what I'm gonna do with those stickers. I'm gonna save them. I'll probably just throw them in one of my cases or something. One of the cases with the loose cars. There it is. This has a lot of stuff on the side. It's the back. It's like you got Superguard Racing, the Citgo, number 99. They're real rubber tires, they still. So all four of these are pretty much the same. It's the same casting, just different colors. Thanks for checking out Ronnie's Games.